How to turn on or off screen time on iPhone. Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to easily turn on or off screen time on your iPhone. First of all, launch your setting app on your iPhone. Simply look for the gear icon and tap to open. Now scroll down until you find the option called screen time. Go ahead and tap on it. Next, scroll down and tap on lock screen time setting. This is where you can set up a passcode to manage your screen time setting. Now create a screen time passcode by typing in a 4-digit code. Re-enter the passcode to confirm. Once done, you will be asked to enter your Apple ID and password. This is important in case you forget your screen time passcode. After entering your Apple ID and password, to type OK. Congratulations, you have successfully set up screen time with a passcode. Now you can monitor and control your app usage and device time. And that's it, how you can easily turn on or off screen time on your iPhone. If this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.